The weather gods are actually blessing us today. It's very pleasant for a change. Hello and welcome back to $1,000,000 Style. I hope you guys are doing fantastic and keeping cool. Today's video is all about beautiful dresses and shirts and tops and trousers, and God only knows what all I have bought from the brand Styli. It's available on Ajio and you can make the most of it thanks to Ajio's Big Bold Sale. These pieces are available at a massive discount, so you can make the most of your money and look like $1,000,000 without spending $1,000,000. I picked out some beautiful tops, some quad sets as well as dresses, so you have plenty of options to choose from. Whenever I'm shopping pieces to share with you guys as well as to add in my closet, I always look at brands that have been tried and tested, and Styli is one brand that I have many pieces from. I know their quality, I know their fit, and I know they have some beautiful pieces that I wanted to bring to you guys in today's haul. My comment section is full of suggestions for birthday outfits, vacation outfits, as well as tops that you can wear to work. So in this video, I've tried to address as many queries as I possibly could. I'm also going to be sharing a wish list of pieces that I couldn't add into my closet, but I found them online and I think they are beautiful finds. So make sure that you go onto the description and read the description thoroughly and go through my wish list. There are some beautiful pieces that you can add into your closet, and some of them are available at 90% off, making it a sweet deal. I have a beautiful dress on which makes for a perfect birthday dress. Let's get started with the first look and I will see you towards the end of the video. First up, I have a simple outfit with a twist. I'm wearing a linen blend shirt with floral embroidery all over, and I paired it with an old pair of jeans that I bought from Sasferis, perfect for a relaxed yet stylish look. This shirt, with its light fabric and breezy design, features delicate floral patterns that add a touch of femininity to the casual style. The material is light and comfortable linen blend, ideal for warm days or layered styles. I've paired it with chic beige denims that complement the shirt's casual elegance. This outfit works wonderfully for those with a pear-shaped body, as the mom-style jeans balance the silhouette, enhancing the smallest part of your waist and accommodating wider hips comfortably. The shirt's loose fit is great for hiding any areas you might feel conscious about, while still keeping the look tailored and fresh. For accessories, I added a burst of color with this pistachio-colored hoops from Sofetch and a stone charm necklace and a simple stack of bracelets along with it. A pair of embellished flat sandals keep the look interesting and summer-friendly, and simple stylish sunglasses and a matching beige tote bag from the Gusto complete the look, synchronizing beautifully with the outfit's natural tones. The sandals with embellishments add a subtle sparkle, making this ensemble suitable for both casual outings and smart casual events. Priced attractively at Rs 854 at 5% off, this shirt is a steal. A fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their wardrobe with pieces that are versatile, stylish, and suitable for various body types. Next, I am thrilled to share this gorgeous V-neck tiered dress from Styli, a fantastic piece that combines comfort with elegance. The dress features a flattering V neckline that elongates the neck and adds a subtle touch of sophistication, making it perfect for various occasions. Its tiered design not only enhances its charm, but also adds a playful movement to the silhouette, ideal for those sunny day outings or evening get-togethers. Plus, it has pockets, and I absolutely love this feature. The fabric of this dress is a dream to wear, soft, airy cotton and just perfect for the summer heat. Its lovely earthy brown color is versatile, making it easy to match with a range of accessories. I've opted for a simple yet stylish approach with a small white quilted bag from Ferragamo, which adds a nice contrast without overpowering the dress. For jewelry, I kept it light with a pair of black and brown stone earrings and a bracelet from Sofetch to maintain the dress's chic simplicity. The gold rimmed sunglasses add a touch of whimsy, perfect for a sunny day out. This dress is particularly flattering for those with an hourglass or apple body type. The cinched waist helps to accentuate the waistline, while the flowy lower section gracefully covers the hips and thighs, creating a balanced and elegant look. Shoes are always a key part of any outfit, and for this look, I chose white strappy thong sandals from Iridani that complement the light and breezy feel of the dress. Priced at Rs 1,310 after 31% discount, it is a great addition to any wardrobe for its style and versatility. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just want to feel fabulous on a casual day, this dress is sure to make a statement. Stepping out in style, my next look is this effortlessly chic bandana print relaxed fit top and trouser set. This quad set is a perfect example of how comfortable fashion doesn't have to compromise on style. The bold bandana print makes a striking statement, while the relaxed fit ensures maximum comfort throughout the day. The fabric of this set is lightweight rayon and super breathable, making it ideal for warmer days or as a stylish option for a casual day out. The top's loose cut flatters the upper body without clinging, which is great for those who prefer to keep their look casual yet polished. The pants complement the top with a similar loose fit, making them perfect for those with rectangle or apple-shaped body as they help to balance the silhouette without overwhelming it. For accessories, I chose small pearl studs, a blue handbag from Ferragamo to match the ensemble, which keeps the look cohesive. These silver strappy heels from Mango add just the right amount of sparkle without detracting from the outfit's bold pattern. While they are not practical for a day of walking, but they are chic enough to transition to an evening outing. Available at Rs 1,189 at 30% discount, this top and pants set is not just a purchase, it's an investment in versatility and style. Whether you're going for a casual meetup or just dressing up for yourself, this set promises to keep you comfortable and in vogue. Celebrating in style, I'm delighted to share this enchanting lyric striped button detail layered maxi dress, which is perfect for your birthday celebration or any special occasion where you want to stand out in style. The luxurious texture of the dress, highlighted by its subtle lyric strips, add just the right amount of sparkle for a special occasion. Its layered design not only contributes to the elegance of the dress, but also adds a playful flair that dances with every step. The olive green hue of the dress is both unique and flattering, suitable for a variety of skin tones. It's cinched at the waist with a fabric belt, enhancing the silhouette and creating a more defined waistline, a flattering choice for those with hourglass and pear-shaped types. The flow of the layers make it forgiving around the hips and thighs, providing a comfortable fit that's perfect for an all-day celebration. To complement the dress's sparkly details, I opted for gold-tone jewelry, a delicate pair of earrings complemented by a chunky gold necklace and matching bracelets from Sofetch, a chic cream canvas and gold trim handbag from Ferragamo and matching gold sandals from Genist elevate the entire ensemble, keeping the look sophisticated yet festive. This dress is an ideal pick for anyone looking to feel extra special on their birthday or any other significant event. The fabric's light shimmer catches the light beautifully, ensuring you'll stand out in your celebrations. Priced at Rs 13.99, this piece promises elegance and style in one beautiful package. Whether you're hosting a party or attending an event, this dress will ensure you look and feel gorgeous. Next is this exquisite embroidered lace button loop closure midi dress, a piece that perfectly blends traditional charm with contemporary elegance. The dress is designed in a pristine off-white cotton fabric which not only reflects sophistication but also offers a canvas for various styling opportunities. The highlight of this dress is its intricate lace detailing and delicate embroidery which run along the center and borders, adding a touch of delicate artistry. The button loop closure at the front provides a vintage feel, while the cinched waist with a tie accentuates the figure, making it ideal for those with an hourglass shape as it highlights the waist and flows gently over the hips. I styled this dress with minimal accessories to keep the focus on its details. A pair of gold diamond stud drop shape earrings and a simple gold bracelet complement the dress's understated elegance. To add a bit of contrast and make this look a little more dressy, I chose a textured handbag in beige and matching embellished heels from Genist, enhancing the outfit's overall light and airy feel. It's a fabulous choice for a garden party, brunches, or any event where you want to look polished yet effortlessly chic. Its breathable fabric ensures comfort without compromising on style, making it a go-to for warm, sunny days. Priced at Rs 19.57 at 11% off, this dress is not just a buy, it's an investment in timeless elegance. Whether dressing up for a special occasion or just adding a classic piece to your wardrobe, it promises to keep you looking graceful as well as stylish. Next up is a beautiful top that's perfect no matter the occasion. It's one of those tops you add into your closet and reach for over and over again. This beautiful floral embroidered mandarin collar shirt style top strikes the perfect balance between comfort and style. The shirt features delicate floral embroidery on a soft pink backdrop, which lends a feminine touch to the otherwise straightforward design. Its mandarin collar adds a modern edge, making it a versatile piece for various occasions. I've paired the top with high-waisted navy jeans from Sassafras, which are a staple for any wardrobe. The jeans provide a contrasting backdrop that really makes the pink and the floral embroidery pop. You can wear the top tucked in or untucked depending on your preference. This combination suits a range of body types, especially those with an apple or rectangle shape, as the high waist of the jeans helps to define the midsection while the straight leg creates a balanced silhouette. Accessorizing with oversized pearl drop earrings, a pair of gold rimmed sunglasses and a subtle nude shoulder bag, I've kept the look playful yet polished. The bag complements the light tones of the shirt, while the clear strap bed sandals add a contemporary flair perfect for a day out or a casual meeting. The top is priced at $1,299, making it an affordable yet fashionable choice. Whether you're heading to brunch or just running errands, this outfit ensures you do it in style, all while staying comfortable and true to your fashion sensibilities. Embrace the bohemian spirit with this stunning geometric maxi dress, which I've styled for a breezy, effortless look. The dress boasts a rich navy blue tone decorated with an intriguing geometric pattern that adds depth and character to the fabric. The off-shoulder design, coupled with short, floaty sleeves, gives it a laid-back yet distinctively feminine appeal, perfect for a variety of summertime adventures. Its loose fit is flattering for most body types, particularly great for those who prefer a more relaxed silhouette that doesn't cling. It cinches slightly at the waist with its ruching detail, providing some shape without sacrificing on comfort, ideal for those with an apple or rectangle body shape, as it helps to define the waist while the length of the dress flows gracefully to flatter the hips as well as the legs. I am only 5'2", so it fits me like a maxi, but if you're taller, it will fit you like a midi. As for accessories, I selected a small navy top handle bag from Ferragamo and a pair of light pink strappy heels from Genius, which add a subtle pop of color and elevate the ensemble. The look is completed with simple, elegant jewelry like a turquoise and pearl necklace from Sofetch that echoes the dress's bohemian vibe. This piece is perfect for those days when you want to look chic without much fuss. Whether you're heading out for a casual brunch or a walk by the beach, it ensures you do it in style. Priced at Rs 769 at 45% off, it's a steal in my opinion. I don't understand why people rated it so poorly on the website. I thought it's an absolute stunner. Wrapping up this stylish haul, I'm delighted to present the sophisticated embroidered peplum blouse and dhoti pants set that I've had in my closet now for a few months. This ensemble exudes elegance with a touch of traditional flair, making it a standout piece for any wardrobe. The deep navy color paired with subtle white embroidery detailing adds a refined contrast, while the peplum design of the blouse enhances the waistline and adds a graceful flow. This set is particularly flattering for those with an hourglass figure, as the peplum blouse accentuates the waist and the high-waisted pleated dhoti style trouser helps elongate the legs, creating a balanced and polished silhouette. The fabric is soft and flowy, ensuring comfort without compromising on style. It's such a unique outfit, not something you find online very easily. I chose simple yet elegant polki drop earrings, a pair of embellished heels from Genius, which keep the outfit grounded and suitable for formal events or special occasions. Accessorizing with a pearl encrusted white bag adds a luxurious touch, complementing the intricate embroidery on the blouse. This outfit is ideal for those looking to make an impression at a gala, wedding, or any evening event where making a sophisticated statement is key. Priced at Rs 1749 at 30% off, this beautiful set offers both style and functionality. It's a perfect blend of elegance and comfort, sure to be a favorite in your collection. Well, that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself and enjoyed the pieces that I had to share with you. I am going to be sharing another haul from Ajio, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. I will leave the link right here. I share daily updates on Instagram where I basically share stories of my lifestyle, what I'm up to, how I spend my day, etc, etc. So this way you guys can get to know me a little better and we can build this community a little stronger. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or feedback in terms of what I should bring you guys next. I'm planning a holiday very soon, so I'm going to be taking a break from YouTube. But don't you worry, I will be sharing daily updates on Instagram, so make sure that you check that space out. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. Bye guys.